Hi guys, good morning. So we're going inside the city. Ang Digo City. So we're using our Suzuki Stingray. It is 2 years already sa Amua and still working. So I'm using this one to travel once a week. Going and through Malita. So this is it. Oh, diba? Ganda pa rin ng Suzuki Stingray ko, guys. So, nakakapag-video ko today. It's because I have a driver. Ang hirap talaga mag-video while driving. So, that's Digo City. As of the moment, guys, mahirap na maghanap ng ganitong sasakyan like Suzuki Stingray. Mostly na hinahanap sa mga tao ngayon is DS260. I mean DA17. So yun ang kalimitang hinahanap sa ngayon na mga sasakyan, na mga transformer or surplus. Yung latest na dispose ni Happy, yung ano tawag nun, pang made to order, ay Wagon, kulay pink, just like that. Parang pink yan, pang chocolate brown. Kala ko pink. Sporty type. Yan. Itong Suzuki Stingray namin hindi pa aabot ng 5,000 kilometer run. Patingin nga, pang, i-zoom ko, pang. Yan, makikita dyan. Click mo lang. Actually, yan. Ito, 3,000 ha? Ha? Ilan? Ay, 1.8. So, ayan, 1.8 na yung takbo ng sasakyan ko. From changing of oil. Yan. Put it back. We can quick. So, ayan. Ganda naman ng Suzuki Stingray. Wala namang naging problema sa akin. Actually, nakaabot ito ng Cagayan, Bukidnon, and also in Mati. Baba muna kami. Dami. Ganda, ganda. So, ayan guys. See you later! Today is Sunday, so sarado yung mga pupuntahan namin. Oo, sarado. So close. We're going to the mall! Dahil close yung pupuntahan sana namin kasi nag-i-inquire kami ng bagong washing machine. Kasi yung washing machine namin nag-surrender na, naghahanap na ng bago. Kahit yung manual lang na washing, okay na sa amin. Hindi naman kailangan namin yung automatic na washing machine. Lang, maibsan lang yung aming paglalaba gamit ang aming mga kamay. So now we're going to the mall to buy some food and also for groceries para sa kakainin namin on today's week. And guys, so again, thank you so much for watching. This is Lara Juana. Have fun! Happy Sunday! Bye-bye! Hi guys! So, nagsunod sa mga Stingray. Look at that! Yan! Same color, pero wala pa siyang plate number. Yan. Riga kayo. So we're done our trip today. We went to the mall and made our grocery list to be checked. So again, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Ay, music. So kahit na I turn off the music because YouTube will gonna we're not going to pay our vlog today if we're going if you have a background music. So today guys, I'm wearing my mask. It's because I'm not feeling well, para hindi naman matakdan si Ad. So again, thank you so much for watching. This is Lara Joanna and this is Jo my hubby. Say hi. That's all for today. See you next time. Bye for now. And still for reservation. Registration. For registration. Para magpapasas. Ang ganda ng ano niya guys. Side mirror. Meron siyang light. But it is for registration. Na siya mudagan guys. Pero ang daming gasgas. What happened?